In today's video, I'm going to show you where you check the scam forex brokers. Okay, in my last video I made a video concerning that, and someone asked me why didn't I show the names of these forex scam brokers. So you check that in this video today. So that's why you need to watch this video to the very end, because if you skip, then you might miss some important part of the video. So if today is your first time of coming across my video here on YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, share with your friends and family, and don't hesitate to hit the notification bell so whenever I drop a video like this, you'll get notified. So I'm going to share with you two sites where you check these scam forex brokers so that you will not be a victim of these forex brokers. So let's dive into the video right away. So guys, if you come over to this very place right now, you are going to see the name of this site called brokersview.com. Okay, come here and check and click on it. So click on it. It's going to take us to where you will see different sites that are scams. Okay, can you see this one right now? You see? Okay, look at the name of this one, Morton Market, recorded in September 17, 2025, confirmed scam. Okay, Morton Market claims to be registered in St. Lucia. So look at this very app. So if you have been using this, you should know. So this one is called Wealth Trade FX. Look at it, recorded in September 17, 2025. There are so a lot of them. FXT Swiss, look at them. There are so many of them. So if you come here, and their dates are very new, look at September 17. This one, Alpha Wave, on September 11, 2025. Arrowvostake.com on September 17th. Bitvast Global on in September 17th. Max Bolt Invest, look at them. So you keep on checking. Look at wealth earnings. These are scam forex brokers. So be mindful of the brokers that you use. Okay, look here. You keep going. Let's keep checking. See them. Here you will see thousands, a lot of brokers that are not good brokers. Look at, okay, so many of them, SM Trading Center, okay, Exclusive Trade, Market Rocks, Levels, Gates FX, okay, Seastone Canada, Capital Limit. So many of them here. Can you see? VP Trade, B Broker, Market Nest, FX Trade Pro Broker, Clone FX Open, Frax Trade. So many of them. It's very this thing. I've not seen on some of these forex brokers that they are still loading. There are a lot of them here. They are still loading. So Trust Market, they are still loading. Giant Bull, that they are still loading. So this is one of the places you come and check some of the forex brokers that you want to use in trading. Okay, you see them. Trustfield, there are a lot of them here. So before you make use of any forex brokers, make sure you come to this very site to check if there is the one you are using is among the list in this very place. Okay, so we'll now move to the second site where you will see other ones. So the next site is called Forex Peace Academy. So you can go and check that on that site. Okay, so and I'm going to show you another way that you will know that your forex broker is a scam. Okay, you need to be watchful of this things I'm about to show you right now. Okay. Now, to know if your forex broker is a scam, number one thing you should know and look out for is, number one is regulatory compliance. You need to check these before you start using them. Verify that your broker is regulated. Make sure you verify that they are regulated by a recognized financial authority locally or globally. Be very sure of that. Now, number two uh way again is reputation and review. Make sure people are reviewing them. Okay, make sure you make a research about this broker. Research the broker reputation can give you insight into their reliability and trustworthiness. Okay, make sure you check them very well. Then number three is contact information. Contact information. A legitimate broker should provide clear and accessible contact information. Yes, very important. Now, number four is background and history. Check them, read them very well. Investigate how long the broker has been in business. Very important, so that you will not be a victim. Had I know is the cry of how do Gege used to put it? I don't know. So number five, client funds segregation. Client fund segregation. Reliable brokers hold client fund in segregated accounts. Ensure that your broker separates your fund from their operational funds in segregated accounts. This protects your fund in the event of brokers' financial difficulties. Very important. Now, number six, account security. Check if the broker uses strong encryption and security protocols to protect your personal and financial information. Very important. Number seven, trading platform. Trading platform. The trading platform you trade on is your gateway to market. It's your gateway to the market. The trading platform you trade on is the gateway to the market, or your gateway to the market. So it is essential to ensure that it is reputable and reliable. Very important. Now, number eight, this is the most important part: fees and spreads. So, review the broker fees structure, including spreads, commissions, and overnight financing rates. Be conscious of brokers with hidden fees or excessively high charges. Be very this is the worst part. You see spreads. Oh my god, my last video I showed you the kind of the broker I was trapped in. They will not let you withdraw. Their spreads are too high, and oh my god, you end up losing your money. Number nine, withdrawal and deposit procedure. Very important. And I need you to know that before you use any broker, make sure you read their terms and condition. Very important. Their terms and condition matters a lot. So these are the only things I can show you about forex brokers. If you like this video, smash that subscribe button, like this video, share it, and hit the notification bell, so whenever I drop a video like this, you get notified. See you in my next video. Bye.